When the market collapses, fear takes over. Prices fracture, headlines scream disaster, and the instinct to sell everything becomes overwhelming. But experienced investors look at that same chaos and see a different reality. They see opportunity. Economic data suggests that recessions rarely vaporize wealth. Instead, they trigger a massive transfer of assets from those acting on fear to those acting on patience. History suggests that these windows of panic often act as the catalyst for massive individual fortunes for anyone prepared to acquire the right assets. Thriving in a downturn requires looking past mere protection and identifying the exact moments to put capital back to work while prices are at their lowest. This strategy begins with cash. During a recession, liquid currency serves as ammunition, providing the flexibility needed to navigate a shifting landscape. High liquidity allows an investor to buy discounted assets when others are forced to sell, turning a market crash into a buying window. Short-term government bonds offer a low-risk alternative to pure cash, providing a secure method for parking money while earning a small yield. Maintaining this dry powder ensures you can remain active in the market without being forced to liquidate your core holdings when the economy tightens. However, cash can become a trap if you stop investing entirely while waiting for the market to reach its absolute lowest point. This chart illustrates the risk of trying to time the bottom. A market can drop 20%, level off, then suddenly rebound, leaving onlookers behind. Dollar cost averaging solves this by committing a fixed amount at regular intervals, regardless of daily price. This mathematical approach is consistent globally, often referred to as pound cost averaging within the United Kingdom. Reliable acquisition beats market prediction. Broad market ETFs allow you to the eventual recovery without needing to guess the exact date of the bottom. For individual stocks, recessions serve as a filter. They frequently eliminate weak companies burdened by high debt and unstable cash flow. Surviving blue-chip companies typically possess powerful brands, loyal customers, and balance sheets capable of generating cash even during periods of low growth. This equation demonstrates the yield trap. When a stock price collapses, the dividend yield mathematically inflates, making a struggling company look artificially attractive to unsuspecting investors. Evaluating individual stocks during a crash requires a shift in focus. The primary question is no longer, is this cheap, but whether the company will still lead its industry in 10 years. Real estate presents its own risks. Buying property simply because the price fell can be a mistake, especially when high interest rates and low liquidity are involved. Distressed properties represent opportunities only for those with a long-term horizon and the financial strength to weather a slow market. Gold often serves as a potential hedge during financial uncertainty, as its price can move independently from stocks and other traditional assets. Still, gold remains a specialized tool. It produces no corporate profit, pays no dividends, and can remain price stable for long periods without growth. Alternative assets like property and precious metals are best used for diversification rather than serving as the sole pillar of an investment strategy. One specific asset remains completely immune to market volatility and economic cycles: human capital. Developing expertise in fields like artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, or healthcare ensures your value remains high even when companies are cutting costs. Those who use difficult economic periods to improve their skills are often the best positioned to lead when the recovery begins. A macro view of history confirms that recessions are temporary. While they are difficult to endure, they have consistently been followed by periods of growth and recovery. Successful investing relies on acquiring assets you understand, can afford to keep, and can hold through the lowest points without acting on panic. When fear dominates the market, unwavering patience becomes a significant financial advantage. Let us know your strategy in the comments and subscribe for more.